Hey, what's up everyone? Today we'll see how to connect MongoDB using Mongoose in Node.js. So first we need to install the package. So yarn add mongoose, and we need this mongoose, right? So mongoose require mongoose. Okay, by this time it's being installed, so here we need to connect to some mongodb. Okay, and then we need the URI, so mongo URI, and then we need to create a new project. So I'm going to show you. So creating a new project, name web for you, and then next, and create project, and then click build a database. So it will be a free package for us, so create, click on create, and then everything will be same. And if you want, you can change the cluster name, but I am going to keep it same. So create cluster, and then it will ask the username. So I'm going to type here like Jack, and the password is Jack123. okay, you see Jack123, and then create user, and only an IP address you add to your access list. So I'm going to type here 0.0.0.0, so it can be accessible from anywhere, and then finish and close. Go to database. So it's now deploying. You see that it's in being progress. And then I'm going to click here connect, and connect to application, and copy and paste it here. Just change the password here, so Jack123, and save it. And for on index.js, I'm going to type here mongoose.connect, and then process.env. this mongo URI, and then it will return a promise. So then CLG, you can say that mongodb connected. Otherwise, to show you if there is anything wrong, so error, and then console log, something went wrong. Okay, and then save it. We are going to type here npm start, but let me check here. I think it's okay. Okay, it's already deployed. So npm start, and you will see that mongodb connected. And I'm going to close this one, and if I'm going to type anything wrong here like this and try run the server, and you see that something went wrong. Okay, so you know that if you are going to change the environment file, you need to stop the server and rerun the server again. So you see that MongoDB connected. So let me know if you face any problem. Thank you so much.